In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block pop-ups and redirects in the Brave browser. If you're tired of unexpected windows opening or being whisked away to another page without clicking anything, this quick setup will help you keep your browsing calm and secure. We'll use Brave's built-in controls, so there's no need to install extensions or change anything outside the browser. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Make sure you're on the desktop version so the menus match what you see here. Once Brave is open, look to the top right corner of the window for the three-line menu icon, often called the hamburger menu. Click that and then choose Settings from the dropdown. This takes you to Brave's Control Center, where you can adjust how the browser behaves. On the left side of the settings page, find and click Privacy and Security. This section houses options that influence tracking, site permissions, and overall safety. In the main area, locate Site and Shield settings and select it. Shields are Brave's privacy features, and this page brings together everything related to what websites can do and what Brave blocks. Scroll down to the content section until you see pop-ups and redirects, then click it. This is where the browser decides whether to let sites open new windows or send you to a different page automatically. Pop-ups can sometimes be useful, like when a trusted site opens a secure login box, but they're also commonly used for ads or deceptive content. Redirects can be helpful when a site moves pages, yet they're often abused to send you somewhere you didn't intend to go. To block them globally, select the option that says, "Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects." With this setting enabled, Brave will stop new windows from opening without your action and will prevent pages from bouncing you to other sites unexpectedly. It's a strong default that keeps most distractions and nuisances out of your way. A quick tip: if you notice a legitimate feature isn't working on a site you trust, it may be because the site requires a pop-up for sign-in or a secure payment. You can temporarily allow pop-ups for that specific site from the same page whenever needed, while keeping the global block in place for everywhere else. That way you maintain a tight level of control without compromising convenience. And that's it. With this setting enabled, your browsing should feel smoother, safer, and far less interruptive.